Costco shopping for Zena's birthday. We're gonna get 2 carts. Hi, me. Zeno! Get it. He wants to feed himself. He won't even take mine. Here.